Welcome to today's Outdoor Adventures with Shane. I'm back in my hometown area and need to get out for a hike this morning. It's beautiful temperatures. And one of them I didn't mention in my other video was a place I have never been to, maybe when I was in second grade. It used to be called Camp Ingawanis for the Boy Scouts. I've been here for day camp. I know we rode horses and such. And we also had, in the winter, the Klondike Derby. Which was pretty fun. But Bremer County Conservation now owns it. They have a cabin, which you seen in the background there a little bit ago, that you could rent for events. And there's a lot of trails here. A bunch of them are fat bike tire off-road trails. I know a group from Crawdaddy Outdoors in Waverly does. So let's go check it out. I'm sure the woodland flowers are blooming. Who knows, if we get lucky, yeah, really, really lucky, we might even find a mushroom or two. So let's go check it out. Wow, that concludes today's episode of Outdoor Adventures with Shane. Hiked the, I think they call it the lower loop access. Don't know the exact name of it, I don't remember. Went down to the bottoms trail. A little muddy, obviously bottoms of the river. Had to do 2 sketchy log crossings, but for the most part, sweet trails. Lots of birds, lots of wildlife, lots of flowers, golden oysters, some pheasant backs. I'm sure there's some rattles out here, just didn't come across them today. Could be already picked, I don't know. But no, sweet trails. Come check it out. Bremer County Conservation does a good job. Got a shelter, rental. I think they call it the Eagle Lodge, $75 a day. Looks like it has air conditioning. That would be pretty sweet. Family reunions, birthday parties, whatever you want to do. Go check it out. But yeah, sweet trail. Definitely want to give a shout out to a friend of mine that reminded me about the thing. I totally would have forgot about this trail, adding it to my list of to do. But what else? You see a deer, a coon, and no snakes, luckily. Thank God, I hate snakes. Met another hiker out there. He was out hiking with his daughter. Thanks, Mike, for subscribing to my channel. They're out preparing for Colorado Trail. Good luck on that trail. You're gonna love it. But time to wrap things up and head home. Got some graduations to go to today. So, as always, live life. Don't live in fear, or you're gonna miss it. Thanks for watching, and pass on, share my channel with anybody you know that loves the outdoors. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.